Hey y'all, welcome to your kitchen. This is probably my favorite feature of the entire house. You've got brand new appliances, all KitchenAid made, brand new countertops. It's fantastic, but my favorite feature is probably the skylight. Take a look at the skylight that's out there. Welcome to the basement. One thing that's going to really stand out about this basement, it's got a brand new epoxy finish type floor. It looks great, fantastic. There's a lot of storage down here for you to make it your home. Okay, let's take the very final shot for the day. Is this fantastic 3 seasons. It's actually a 4 seasons room because it's closed and it's heated, but it gives you that 3 seasons room. It's got open availability everywhere. Each one of these doors is a sliding glass door. It looks great. Take a look. Shout out to my girl Boomy. She's the listing agent. We appreciate her very much for letting us come into this fantastic property. I hope you enjoyed the tour. $1.2 million. This is what it gets you in Meridian Kessler, Indianapolis.